Thanks for tuning to Sim's Workshop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today we're gonna be unboxing my Owlcrate. Owlcrate. So let's get this show on the road. Alright, take a little look at packaging. And this is the August Young Adult box, Falling for the Shadows. And this is my spoiler sheet, which they graciously, I don't know if I can talk anymore. I'm not going to say the word again, which I thankfully put on the top. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Cool. Okay, it's just when I see the packaging, look, let me tell you, Owlcrate invest your money. Every subscription box, I mean, it just keeps getting better and better, and they invest in their packaging. This is personalized packaging for this item, and it's a collectible ceramic bowl. Like, it's so pretty. I'm so keeping this. Oh, I can't wait to show my husband. He's gonna love this. He loves Lord of the Rings. I mean, so do I. That is so cool. Okay. Oh, putting it back in the bubbly wrap. This is so cool. Okay. They really invest in their packaging, which I think is phenomenal. So the ceramic bowl was put together with artist Janine Lecor. So hopefully I can find her link, and then I can put it in the description below. Alright. Sixth installment. Alright, we're bringing a bit of magic, Middle Earth, blah blah blah. Each bowl in this series celebrates a different iconic location from Tolkien's Lord of the Ring universe. I don't remember getting the others. That must have been pre my subscription. Okay, here we go. Here's the pin. Take a look at the packaging right there. And this is number 8 of 12. Good Omens. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. Ta-da. Ta-da. That's so cute. Alright, and this was made by Sayer Art. Let's see if you guys... Nice close-up detailing. It's so cute. Okay. Oh, this is adorable! And so is this! Oh my god! It's compact. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm so sorry. I just see cute things. Oh, so cute. Okay. Alright, travel mug tote bag? Oh my god! Dude, I could use this at work. Can I? I hope so, because then I never have to be without my cup ever again. Leaving it here, leaving it there, and being like, where did I put my cup again? Oh my god, look at that. It's so stinking cute. So, inspired by the Hurricane Wars and made by Anne Winards. So this is so stinking cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's adorable, and I can even let my kids borrow it, maybe. That's precious. Okay. So, evocation inspired Keychain Mirror. Features wonderful designs front and back by the Pearled Reader. So I love it. I'm keeping this. So that you guys can see. Everything comes with a price. Sounds like Rumple. This is so cool. Oh. Keeping. Hi. That was made by, again, the Pearl Reader. Ooh. Be wary, be clever, be good. It looks like this is the, oh my god, this is a bottle opener? Holy crap. I like it. Keeping. Keeping. Alright, so this is the key bottle opener. Alright, made by Azura Arts. Depicts the beautiful gothic aesthetic of A One Dark Window. I still have to read that trilogy. Do I own it? Of course, you know I do. If it's gothic, you know I'm going to read it. And if you don't, well, now you do. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Love it. Okay. Alright, so I think that's everything. The bowl, the travel mug tote, the key bottle opener, the keychain mirror, and then the pin. Alright, so next is the book. Wow, cool. Okay. Holy crap, this looks gorgeous. Okay. I don't really know much about this book, to be honest. It's Castle of the Curse. I know I've heard of it, but I wonder if I'm confusing it with a different book, because I know I have Garden of the Cursed, but different author. So, let's get... Oh, these edges are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. So this is Castle of the Cursed by Romina Garber. Ooh. The detailing. Alright, let's see. Our book pick features a gothic castle full of family history and the mysteries that lie beneath. In Castle of the Curse, Estella suffers from survivor's guilt after her parents are killed in a strange attack. She heads to her estranged aunt's ancestral Spanish castle, which harbors family secrets that are somehow linked to her parents' death, and a boy only she can see that claims to be trapped. As she dives deeper into the secrets, she realizes the suspect behind the deaths may be closer than she thinks. And it's a signed edition. Very nice. El Príncipe de Ero. No hay luz en oscuro. So, Ero. I'm not really good at rolling my R's. Sorry, soy mal mexicana. Here we go with this gorgeous disco que asombra, río roja más puro, castillo de las sombras, no hay luz en oscuro. Luckily, actually, do you know what that means? This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, here are your end pages. I know, my Spanish isn't that great. I repeat, a bad Mexican. But I'm trying to do better for my kids. My mom's education for me at home was watching telenovelas. So, perdóname. Perdón. Only when you sacrifice everything will you have nothing to lose. You know what's great? August is my birthday month and I'm Mexican, so fitting that I should get a Spanish book with some Spanish in it. See? See. Alright, so let's see what's what. Sign Edition features a gorgeous redesigned cover and stenciled edges by Anta Art. Turn over the cover for reversible with gorgeous artwork by Zarin Basque. On the hardcover, we have some magnificent foil designs done by Neil Grant. And then gorgeous end pages done by I'm Jen Dove. Author letter and bonus content inside. Oh, here we go. And it's signed. Alright. In any case, thank you for joining me in this unboxing of my August young adult Owlcrate. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your book loving friends. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, happy reading.